everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize colors and styles in Adobe Firefly. So let's get started. First, open the Adobe Firefly and log in with your account. Then here, go to the text to image from the home screen to start a new project and type a creative prompt. Like this example, a serene beach at sunset, pastel tones, and tap the style icon. Tap the style icon usually located near the prompt field. This open a powerful styling tools and adjust the style settings. The reference, you can upload an image to guide the design. Strength, this control how closely the output matches the reference. While effects, choose from categories like vibrant, watercolor, or cyberpunk. Color, choose the color palettes or adjust the hue and tone. For the lighting, you can choose the moods like warm, dramatic, or soft. While camera, you can change the perspective like close up, bird's eye, and more. Then here tap Generate to see the four created crafted variations that's based on your style choices. And tap your favorite result, then download to save it in your gallery. And pro tip, set effects and colors low that increase intensity, and you can use a reference image when you need a consistent branding or mood. And experiment with the lighting and camera settings. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.